Welcome, my dear students. We will discuss with the certain statements. In the previous video, we will cover the different types of statements, that is up to exit statement. In this video, we deal with the new statement, that is next statement. Now, the next statement is also again one of the sequential statements that can be used only inside a loop. The syntax of this syntax is the same as that of the exit statement, except that the keyword next replace the keyword exist. Its syntax is next loop label when condition. The next statement results in skipping the remaining statement in the current iteration of the specified loop and execution resumes with the first statement. In the next iteration of this loop, if no loop label is specified, the innermost loop is assumed. In contrast to the exit statement that causes the loop to be terminated, that is exit specified loop. The next statement causes the current loop iteration of the specified loop to be permanently terminated and execution resumes with the next iteration. Here there is some example of a next statement, that is for j 10 down to 5 loop, if sum is if sum is less than total sum, then sum is equals to sum plus 2. Else if sum is equals to total sum, then next else null end if k equals to k plus 1 end loop. This will be the certain condition along with the next statement will be given for to followed. The next statement can also cause an inner loop to be exited. Here there is a simple example of such as L4 for k down to 1 loop statement section 1, L5 loop statement in its section 2, next L4 when write done 1, that is statement section 3, end of the loop 5, statement section 4, end loop 4. This is all about the next statement. Our next part is assertion statement. Assertion statements are useful in a modeling constraint of an entity. For example, you may want to check if a signal value lies within the specified range, or check the setup and hold time for a signal arriving at the input of an entity. If the check fails, an error reported. The system of an assertion statement is assert boolean expression, report string expression, servativity. Here the model of a D-type rising edge triggered flip-flop that uses the assertion statement to check for setup and hold time. Entity D flip-flop, port D, clock, bit Q, note Q, out bit, end if D flip-flop. Architectural check times of D flip-flop, the constant hold time and constant setup time for 5 nanoseconds and 3 nanoseconds is as given below. In the beginning of the programming process, we will use the two lines, that is D and clock. The variable last even on D, last even on clock time being check the hold time. If D event, then assert now to 0 nanosecond, or now last even clock is greater than hold time, report hold time is a too short, servativity is a failure. Last even on D is now in if. Then check the status setup time. If the clock is 1 and the clock event, then assert now to 0 nanosecond. Now last event on D, setup time. Report the setup times is too short, servativity failure. Last event on a clock, now and if the behavior of flip-flop, if the clock is 1 clock event, then Q is less than equals to D, not Q is less than not D, and if end process and end of check time. Here there are another examples that uses the assertion statement to check the spikes of the input of the inverter. As given in the package pack 1 is the constant minimum pulse time of 5 nanoseconds and the constant propagation time delay time is of 10 nanoseconds. End of the pack 1, use of the word pack 1 is not all. Entity of an inverter is port A is input bit, not A out bit. End of the inverter architecture, check the inverter is being processed. The variable last event on a time is 0 nanosecond. Begin assert now 0 nanosecond. Report the spike detected on the input of the inverter. Servitivity warning. The last event on now, not A after a propagated delay, the end of the process and end of the check inverter. Some other examples of the assertion statement are assert data less than equals to 255. Report data out range. Assert the clock is equals to 0 or the clock is equals to 1. The clock is of type. In the last assertion statement example, the default report message will be assertion violation is printed. The default servitivity level is error if the servitivity clause is not specified in the previous example. This is all about the assertion statement. In this way, here we completed the 5 to 6 different statement of the statement which are used in the VHDL language. Thank you very much.